Hi guys, Richard at Orange Campers, and we're at our annual Campervan meet, and the sun's shining, and I'm here with Anne, and it's a great time to catch up with our customers and ask them their experiences so far. I mean, Anne picked your van up. When did you pick your van up, Anne? February, which is not too long ago, is it? And then what we're in now, July.
So about
June,
4 months anyway.
About 4
yes,
months, yeah. And have you been getting out and about in it?
I've been out right from the word go. I've been everywhere.
And Anne had already got a van, so she's an avid campervanner anyway, haven't you?
I've had campervans for about 25 years.
Oh, yeah.
Different ones.
Which is a compliment, because Anne knows her stuff in campervans, and she's been around, she knows her vans, and she knows what she wants. And it's so nice when, you know, somebody experiencing campervan life chooses one of ours and sees the advantages of ours over what, because you had a beautiful van before, you know, and it worked fine, didn't it?
Well, I've had various different makes. Because I'm on my own now, I wanted a different layout.
Yeah.
So it was finding a layout that suited me with 2 dogs.
2 dogs, yeah. And not small dogs either. They're quite big boys, aren't they? Or big girls, should I say.
So that was when I seen you at Malvern Show. You had pop-tops there, which I instantly said no to.
Yes, and you were so brave, because we'd not actually built the high roof yet. So Anne ordered this just off seeing the pop-top, and we explained to you.
Yeah, you explained to me what was going to happen.
We're just about
with
to build a high-top model. We have now got a demonstrator, thankfully, but yeah, you built it unseen, sort of thing. Unseen the high-top.
It was a bit of a jump into the unknown. Yes. But I did know what I needed and what was going to work for me. I do quite a bit of off-grid, so I needed the solar and the lithium, and I was worried about the lack of bathroom, but I have found that is not a problem at all.
So you've got a sit-down toilet.
Yeah,
in the
I know, and the way that you can open it up, it makes a bathroom at the back.
It does, yeah, it really does.
I've not missed the shower yet, but there may be times that I do, but at the moment I have not missed it. So it's worked out exactly what I hoped. But it is a bit of a leap of faith, because it's a lot of money.
Oh, it is. Nowadays it really is a lot,
And not to think, but I'm really
But you don't regret it,
I don't regret
and you've just done, you've come back, say, with a camp out, and you've already been out for how many weeks? Have you been out for 3 weeks?
I've been out for 3 weeks this time.
Yeah, so you're just at the end of a 3-week sort of jaunt.
So that's the longest I've done so far. Up till then, it had only ever been a week, 10 days.
Yeah.
But and I used it in March and all that, when bad weather. Yeah. And it was all. It's all fine.
I know,
It's all working out well.
Oh, great. So that's really good. Have you got any epic trips more planned? As if your 3 weeks is not epic enough, you know. But
well, I go away every month.
Yeah.
I know I'm going away in August. I know what I'm doing in August, but I don't know. Yeah. I'll be away in July, but I don't know.
And that's the beauty of campervan. You just come and go as you feel, don't you?
Excuse me looking down, because somebody keeps running over my feet.
We've got Jack, and he's playing with the dogs, Claude. And he's really, I think he wants adopting. And we can leave him with you as well if you like. You're quite happy to at the minute. It's a handful. Yeah, we would. Billy wouldn't be happy, would you, Bill? Great, I'm glad you're loving it. And it's always lovely to see everybody. And we're going to get round a few more people. Yeah. But I'm glad the high top's working for you.
The high top for me is working very well.
That's great.
I wouldn't have, I'm sorry, I'm one of these people that wouldn't have a pop-top. But
no. Yeah. And it's nice to offer both options, you know.
Yeah, but, it's all worked out well. What happened
there? We'll leave the madness. Thanks for talking to us, Anne, and much appreciated. Hi, Richard at Orange Campers, and we're still at the camp out, and we've just had our barbecue, where we've all sat around and had some food. The sun's just gone behind a cloud, hopefully it'll be out in a minute, but it's a gorgeous day. And I'm with Wendy, who's recently bought our ex-demonstrator on the new medium wheelbase pop-top version. Whereas before we showed you Anne, who had the high top, now we got a pop top version. And it was just really, Wendy, what made choose orange, and why did you go for a pop top really?
Well, I've had a camper van before, which was a high top, so I knew what I wanted, and a pop top for me is more convenient, under barriers, easier to drive, but it was just finding somewhere that I could trust to give me a good deal and have the aftercare. So that was...
Oh, that's very kind. And the ready-to-go sort of option suited you quite well.
Well, it was exactly what I wanted, the layout. I knew what I wanted.
I know you're quite quick. You came, you saw it, and you went,
no,
that van's for me.
Was it, mine. I was like, you know, shaking when I said yes. It was like, no, but this is the best thing with the life I've got
and
now.
we're still, and you've caught the summer, you see, that's the beauty of it.
Yeah, that's
you know,
fine.
Whereas sometimes if you have one made, it can take a few months by the time it's fully done from start to finish. Whereas this option's a great option where you can just you know, have the advantage of just ready to go, aren't you?
Yeah, and the X-Demo had all the few extras
it did.
as well.
I love to load them up, so it's a cracking van, it really is. You know, I'm sad to see it go. But we've got the exact same van now, just a different colour, but it's the same van. And it's a great van. Here's Billy to play Tig.
There we go.
What made you choose Orange again?
Well, I watched the videos and I was really impressed by what other people said. And it was about the aftercare. And nothing was too much trouble, and the fact that you are actually using them yourself, you know what you're talking about, and you come back and you tweak it, and that to me just spoke volumes. And I need somewhere I can go back and trust. So it gave me confidence to buy the van, because I know a little, but I don't know enough, and so that for me,
I think that aftercare is as important as buying a van.
Absolutely.
But what van it is, aftercare is just as important as the vehicle itself.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, I've seen other companies, and I think it was the integrity that came across, and also the workmanship. It is. I've built one before when I was married, and it's quality, and it's not going to fall apart. So for me, it's
and you can see from us, we're camping opposite you. The messy van over there with bits everywhere. Well, we really do use it as a camper, and that's what they're meant to be. They're meant to be used hard and worked hard, and you know, a good camper will stand up to that and you know, show the test of time. And it drives. I love driving it. It's light. It is, it's great. I've driven vans before. The dog's coming now. There we go. But no, it's to me, it's a no-brainer. So I would say to anybody, come to Orange Campers. Really, honestly, I just think it's lovely. That's very kind of you. So, have you got any trips you're going to go into Europe? You're saying next? I'll be going into Europe. I've done a trip before. That was before sat nav and smartphone. So it'd be nice to go. And I've got the 5G. Yes. So you've got a Wi-Fi, a TV, all the nice extras. Yeah, you know. My nephew, he can watch the footy still. Yeah, that's it. No, it's a lovely option. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Well, enjoy the camp out. Thanks for coming, Wendy. Love to see you.